Hello, welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we're going to look at used and economy machines. So we've got this machine. This is a used machine. It's been fully stripped down, rebuilt. It's got a 16mm thick lining on there, which will last you a very long time. It's got an acoustic cover as an option there, all the bells and whistles, parts unload. And that's sort of the machine that people have in mind most commonly when they're looking at a used machine. Alternatively, we see this sort of thing quite often as a used machine. This comes under the same banner, of course, but the lining's completely gone on it. The bearings will have been changed umpteen times, rewound. I would imagine it would be difficult to think about putting a warranty on that. To refurbish that machine, I would say that's going to cost some in the region of £8,000–9,000 maybe. So whilst that looks like a bargain price-wise, and it might suit some, most often it's really worth considering a brand new machine from our economy range, which will be less than refurbishing this unit. So if you are in the market for a used machine, depending on quite what you mean by it, we've got those in stock. We've got 120 machines plus on site for you to come and see should you want to. You can process parts first hand in our subcontract department, where we turn work round most commonly in 24 hours. We've also got a massive range of medias and compounds available from stock. Then do give us a call. We'd love to help and run through all the different options and make sure you get the right solution for your deburring and polishing needs. Thank you.